Okay.
Alright. Welcome to Seasparkles Corner, and today I'm going to be making a very special blended drink using my Ninja here, because it's an incredible tool that could basically, obliterate anything in its path. I got my wife here with me who's going to be my assistant. And now what we're going to be doing here is going to be taking, we went ahead and got some bag of ice because, it was a 100-degree day, you need ice. Lots of ice. Lots and lots of ice. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to start putting ice into your Ninja blender. This is going to be a 3-ingredient recipe. And just in case the ice is being stubborn, I brought this. Somebody else can have that in a cup. You just want to basically just, get some nice handfuls of ice in here that we can get some nice ice action. Ice action! Ice action! Yeah, get that ice action going. Woo! Alright, there we go. We got some nice ice in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this ice to break up some. The Ninja blender has multiple safety features, so you gotta have everything lined up just right. Plugging it in really would help. And now it will destroy the ice. And now we can make snow. Come and look at the snow. Look at this snow. Snow falling on the falls of May and June. And now, next thing we're going to do, we're going to take here some nice French vanilla ice cream here. Go ahead and pop that bad boy open. Yes, sir. Every ingredient is freshly purchased from Walmart Supercenter. Though this is not endorsed. Now send me money, Walmart. Okay.
There you go, my love.
Now here we go. We're going to here now take multiple scoops of this here French vanilla ice cream, put it right in here with the ice. Yes, sir. That's 1 scoop. 2 scoops.
2 scoops of raisins.
3 scoops. Ha ha ha. Now we have here 3 scoops of French vanilla ice cream. I'm going to now take this here lid, put this right on top of here. I'm going to turn this bad boy on. Give it some medium action. Give it some high action. High octane action! Alright, now we're going to here pop this thing here open up now. Now we're going to take some Mountain Dew ice. I would prefer a whiteout, but ice will do just as good. So I'm going to now pour this here thing right in here. Now I'm going to take the leftover in this here can. I'm going to drink it. And then I'm going to crush it. Put that in the sink because I don't need that anymore. Now I'm going to put this here top back on. I'm going to turn it back on. Put that sucker on high. Now I'm going to take a look at it, make sure see if it's been thoroughly here blended. Put another scoop of ice cream in there, please. That now makes it 4 scoops of ice cream. The good thing about this here recipe, if you've got a powerful enough blender, you can variate the ice, the vanilla ice cream, the soda there up a little bit. Now I'm going to show you all one of the safety features. You see, this device will not operate without the top on. Okay? There's a switch in here which this handle here is connected to. You got arrow here and an arrow here, so when you put your top on, you lock it down, then it'll work. That way you don't throw everything all over the room. Granted, that'd be a lot of fun, but it'd be very messy. Who wants to clean all that up? Not me. Would you? Would you? Okay, you see? If y'all watching this video, of course not. Unless you got a very overpaid maid. Okay, now we're going to take a looky-loo here. Oh yes. Oh yes. There we go. This is what I was exactly looking for. Look at that. Smell it. Smell, y'all can't tell because y'all ain't here. Ooh. Smell this. Ooh, smells good. Now I'm going to take here a couple of these nice big here cups. I'm going to bring another one of these nice here big cups over here. I'm going to here open this drawer up because in case y'all wondering what's in this drawer here, look at this drawer. This is all our cooking stuff. Isn't that neat? Now I'm going to go get a wood spoon. Whoop! Thank you, off-camera helper. And now I'm going to take here. Be very, when you use a Ninja blender, be very careful with this. This thing can cut you. It will cut you. Okay? You know, I need to get a Blendtec blender. There's a lot of arguments over which is the tougher blender, the Ninja or the Blendtec. Now then, we've got our Summer Relief Frozen Blended White Snow. Yes, that is the revealed name for this. I'm calling this white snow. Everything in this is white. Okay. Now then, I have here my spoon. Now if you would be so kind, my lovely wife Doris, take the vanilla ice cream and place it. Oh, we got a bad here. We got a bad ratio here. We need to bring this one up some. There we go. Now let's put some nice scoops of French vanilla ice cream straight on top. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this box of French vanilla ice cream was entirely for this recipe. Okay. There we go. And we still have a little bit of French vanilla ice cream. Would you be so kind to put that in the freezer? I'll take that scoop. I don't care what anybody says. I like French vanilla ice cream. Well, the problem is it only comes in wee, itty bitty tiny boxes. Okay. Now, for the finishing touch, the second can of ice. Pour that up on top of the ice cream there. Pour that on top of that ice cream there. And now, I'm going to try my white snow. And, oh, don't worry about it. Me and Doris just got this one. That one's going to be yours. Oh, dang. Oh, try it. Oh, dang. This is good. This is good. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Now my lovely Doris here will step off camera and pour it in Miss Seasparkles so she can try. This is too good. Here you go. All right, fine then. I'll portal in Seasparkle. There's Seasparkle portaled in. Okay. To try white snow.
I think the ice name is appropriate because ice is icy.
And this was a direct request from OK Peace, his YouTube account. It is good, isn't it? It is dang good.
A word of warning: once you stop eating it, you can't stop.
As always,
so good.
thank you for watching Seasparkles Corner. Feel free to do that like, that share, and that. Okay. Feel free to do that like, that share, that subscribe thing. You know the drill. You've been on YouTube. YouTube's been around for quite a few years now, so you know exactly what to do. So as always, thank you for watching, and telling you right now, try it before Mountain Dew Ice disappears like what happened to Whiteout.
I liked Whiteout.
Thank you for watching. Go make your own. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Bye, everybody.